studying 5th standard. My dear sister, what we doing today? My dear brother, we are going to do homemade soap. Oh, okay. What are the ingredients we use? Oh, my brother, why are you thinking? Come on, let's see directly. Okay, my dear sister. These are the ingredients we are using today. Are you know? I know these ingredients. Spoon, soap base, sugar, and what is this? Oh, water. Oh, my dear brother, you was left with one thing. What is that? Play! My dear sister. Okay, let's go. We have seen already we are using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ingredients which are sieve, soap base, spoon, water and a plate. Okay, let's go. Let's go to preparation. How we start? We are starting with soap base. Okay, my dear sister. Okay, my dear sister. First, we have to use the sieve and take a soap base. The way I am going to say to you, you have to must wear the gloves to prepare the soap base. Can I help you, my dear sister? Yes, of course, my dear brother. Okay, my dear sister. My dear brother, you have to sieve the soap. Okay, you just see. I think it's enough to us. Wow, sister, how nice this. We have to keep aside a sieve and soap base. And we have to take a little bit of water. There is so much of soap base, right? So I'm going to first mix it well. We have to mix very well. Was it soap base? We have to melt also, but it will take so much of time to get preparation of soap. So enough, I think it is mixing. My dear brother, you just add 1 spoon of water. Okay, my dear sister. Enough. It's enough to me. Now I'll get mixed. It's sufficient water to you? No, my dear brother, you just have piece of water in this. Okay, my dear sister. Enough, my dear brother. Okay. Thank you. Okay, it's almost ready, I think. After mixing well, you have to take any shapes or any shape. After mixing well, you can take a shapes or you can make handmade toys, and you have to keep for 60 seconds or 2 minutes or more than how many minutes you want. You just take it. Okay. Okay, I think it's already. I had already had it. Okay, let's add some more water. Means it will. It's full ready. My dear brother, you just add. And now, if you add more the water, it will not sufficient to us and it will get spoiled. Okay, it's ready. Let's take into our hand. Now you can remove the gloves and take the soap base, mix it. After mixing well, you just roll it. Now I'm going to add some water into the soap base. See, you have to add some little bit, okay? I have to cover it well, okay? I think you all are getting doubt. She was adding water, but she was getting no soap. Yes, am I right? Okay. Now we'll see. It will get soap. Will pour so much of water. Okay, it's enough. You think it's enough circle soap with me? Means you can leave it. No, my brother was thinking he was making design shapes. Okay, let's see the shapes. My dear brother, I will give one task for you. That task is you need to select. These are so many shapes in this. Okay, you need to select any one shape in this. Okay. Okay, my dear sister. I will select dolphin and bird. No, my dear brother, you have to select any one. I select dolphin. Okay, let's do with this dolphin. Okay, come on. Okay, let's. My dear sister, I don't want dolphin. What, my dear brother? What are you telling? Which one you need? I need this all. No, my dear brother, you need to select only one thing. Okay, I'll select this elephant. Try it. Okay, done. Good boy. We have to take this. We have prepared soap base, right? We have to take this soap base and we have to put into it. I'm going to take us some little bit. Okay, it's sufficient to this, I think. Okay, I have taken off. Now I'm going to put it inside. I think the elephant design is almost ready. Okay, let's go. Wait a second. Let's just okay, let's go to remove it. See, same elephant. Like this is right. It's so same elephant. Let's keep. My dear brother, are you happy?
Yes,
Okay.
very, very happy.
Let's keep this here.
Sister.
What, my dear Pavanisha sister? What happened to you? Why are you crying?
I want soft toy.
Okay, I will give you one. Okay, come on, let's do. Which shape do you want, my dear sister?
Blue.
What is that? Show me.
Flower.
Okay, I'll do that definitely for you. Okay, my sister has to make a flower shape. Now I'm going to make flower shape. I have taken off and prepared this elephant, right? Now I'm going to take someone off and going to prepare this. It's very, I think it's not sufficient to us. Okay, I'm going to take somewhat. Okay, I was separating this much of. Now I'm going to make. Okay, it's almost ready. Brother, where is that? It's not sufficient to me. Where is that somewhat I have kept there, right? Where is that? 1, 2, 3. I think it's almost finished. Okay, let's go to open it. Okay, we have to open very, very seriously because flower is so hard to open. Okay, it has came right. Okay, let's me open this. Okay, my dear Panisha, its flower has been ready to you, Nina.
Hi, thank you so much.